Hi guys, here we go. Now, this is the bolt, the hole that is scripted out. This is the bolt from Felpro, and it won't torque down because the threads are scripted out. So I went to a company looking for a thread cutter. They don't have one to fit this bolt. So they gave me this. He tells me if I take this, screw it down in here, it'll cut new threads, and then I can put this in there and it'll work. Now, I'm gonna try it. I thought I was gonna have to remove this damn dowel pin. I probably will, because probably gonna have to remove it. So I heard something about if you take a drill bit like this, you might be able to remove this. This is the drill they use. This whole thing with one size, and it actually goes like that. But I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try to it's damn sure bending the damn this thing. Yeah, I got to turn. I need to get it's turning, but it ain't coming out. Dang it. Is that coming out? I'm trying to turn it and pick up on it. Yeah, I think it is coming out. Yeah, it is. Let me open this up a little bit. Yeah, it's coming out. Well, am I going to be able to reuse this dowel pin? I mean, what do you call it? Dowel pin? Dowel pin, or whatever they call it. Yeah, I think it will. Hi guys. I went online and I bought this kit for $149. So what is this kit? This kit is supposed to help me drill out this script out hole and put this thread in there. And when I put this thread in here, I'm supposed to be able to put the original. Now this ain't the original bolt. This is new Felpro bolt. The original bolts, you're not supposed to reuse them. That's another story. But anyway, so I'm going to read the directions I've drilled out a bolt before, but I haven't did it on aluminum head. Well, on a head bolt anyway. So I'm gonna try to read what hell is on one page. It's on one page. So anyway, I'm gonna sit down and read these instructions, and then I'm gonna try to drill that bolt hole out. Guys, this Cadillac is a trip. This is the drill that comes with the tube. This thing will not fit in any damn drill I got. It won't fit. So now I got to go buy another drill. I went to Home Depot and I bought a Milwaukee drill that is, I thought it was gonna have to be one of those big ass drills with that's got like the nut on the handle on the side. That's what I thought it was gonna be. But look at this, it ain't that big. Now, I'm recharging the battery. It came with a 2.0 battery. Now, I got a M18, and I wonder will this work? Yeah, I guess it will. So I guess it won't blow it up. So we're gonna try to drill it out. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna put some tape on this. I should use some tape, huh? All right, I'm using some duct tape. I mean heater duct tape I bought that I don't like using. So we're gonna put that ratch here. It don't wanna work. Don't wanna stick. Don't wanna stick. I don't know why I don't wanna stick, but whatever. I ain't using it for nothing else. Might have to go get the other kind of tape. Yeah, I might have to get the other kind of tape. Yeah, this acting like it don't want to stick. It don't want to stick right. Damn it. Let me go get that other tape. Thought I'd be able to use this, but it don't want to act right. It's just sitting around in my damn house, so I figured I'd use it for something. All right. We just do that right there. Uh-oh. Damn, looks like you got some bite. Get some. Damn! Milwaukee? So you guys been talking, ain't it? Did I go in deep enough or what? You ain't playing. You blow some of this stuff out. Ooh, that blew it out. Yeah, excuse me, it's been a while since I did it. I don't script out threads, so I don't get a lot of practice like you guys do. Cause I don't script out threads, so I don't talk a damn thing. I had to put this on the thread, or I had to close the teeth up. I had to put this on the thread, and then I took a hammer and knocked it down in there. Hopefully I didn't damage the threads. I gotta put it in square. There's another video where I used one of these without the inserts and it didn't work. This went in real easy, so I had a feeling the inserts weren't gonna work. I mean, I figured the bolt wasn't gonna work. I forgot. Someone said that you should pull it out to get off the so the threads don't build up inside there. So I'm not an expert in doing this because I don't script shit out. All you people who want to damn talk stuff. Damn, I can see threads in there. Oh, I forgot to use the WD-40. So I can see the back part right there. So I should know when to stop. I just want to make sure I go deep enough. This, it comes with another part. This and this, I don't know what the hell you're using for. So I'm just gonna put this in. Don't want to go. Is it going? Yeah, it's going. Scared me for a second. Act like it didn't want to fit. I have a lot more confidence in this working. All right, then I went down and stopped with my hand. So I should be able to screw this out. And it should stay in there. All right. That I think is down in there. Yeah, I ain't no reason pulling it back out. Might have should have went a little bit deeper. This is the bolt. Now remember, this one went in. Yeah, it's screwing in. All right, I'm gonna put this back in. This is somewhere I can. You know, I said I was gonna try to take this. This is not perfectly round anymore. It doesn't matter. The head should go down. We're gonna take this and we're gonna stick it back in here. All right, so that should go down. Grab a head gasket. Ooh, I got some more tape right there. I missed that. Guess I better not use that tape no more. Put the head gasket on. There's something else I said I was gonna try. I said I was gonna try one of the old head bolts and see could I torque it down to 40 pound-feet of torque. I ain't in the mood. I am not in the mood. I don't feel like playing around. I'll find that out next time. I've already bought the damn bolts anyway. We'll find that out next time. Let me go get the head. Yeah, this don't want to go because of that dowel pin. Dowel pin, what do you call it? Also, I'm getting another one. I'll order another one of these because that's what, every time I hit something, stuff fly off. And y'all ain't noticed, inwards in my side of town, they love loud ass cars. And I'm like, damn, you got a fast car. Do you really need to make all that damn noise? All right, so we're gonna put it here. Oh, that's right. This is the one I just threaded. Because of my fear of breaking bolts, I'm only gonna torque these 40. Come on, bitch. Come on, go. These damn bolts, the man at the noticing, they freaking bent. So what do you mean? What do you mean they bent, Black? They bent. Brand new damn Velcro bolts. All right, I'll tell y'all what I did, what I didn't do. Apparently, I didn't take them threads far enough down in the head or something, because the bolt won't go. I didn't feel like trying to force it down there. So what I did was, I took some nuts. I took 2 nuts and put on it, and 2 washers. It's sticking up out the head, but it's very close to the cam, but it's not hitting the cam. It's very close. Can you see that? Very close to the cam, but it's not hitting the cam. I rotated the cam over to see was it hitting it, and it's not hitting it. I'm not pulling the head back off to try to drill deeper. I got every bolt here is torqued down to 40. Now, I used 40 on the crankshaft. I'm gonna try to take it to 50. All right, that's 50. So I'm not worried about, ooh, that scared the hell out of me. I'm not worried about the bolts breaking because they're Velcro. I'm a little worried about pulling the threads out. So I think I did this one. Did I do this? Well, we'll find out in a second. Yeah, I'm a little skittish. All right, here comes the bolt that's got the extra nuts. Can it handle 50 pound-feet of torque? Let's see. I'm leaving it right there. I'm not messing with it no more. Okay. This head is on with 50 pound-feet of torque on the heads. Now, some people say that's not enough. Well, we're gonna find out. I believe it is. Let me tell you why. These bolts here, again, every bolt on here was tight except for this bolt here. This is the only bolt that was loose. This was the only cylinder that was leaking. All the rest of the cylinders were fine. All the rest of the cylinder on that side was fine. This is the only one was leaking. And this bolt was loose. This bolt is tight, even though it's got a bunch of washers on it. I mean, some extra washers and nuts on it. It's tight. It's holding 50 pound-feet of torque. I think it's gonna be okay. Now I just gotta find the damn 3 bolts that go in there. I'm gonna stop the video after this. I'm getting ready to go tonight. I've had enough of this crap.